So guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can turn off or on the automatic door opening feature in the ELECTROLUX Dishwasher MaxiFlex. So in the first step we have to open the users menu, so hold the quick and echo button together for 3 seconds. Now we're in the settings, we have to jump to the 4th position. So click on the echo side, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is automatic door opening. Now if you want to manage this function, click on the middle of the slider, and now you can, by the echo button or the quick button, you can manage that you want to switch it off or switch it on. So if I want to enable the automatic door opening direction, leave it on the on and turn off your appliance to save the settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment. Goodbye.